Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by choosing the right substitute and why it matters. Texture controls crisping. Combine dry base with binder choices. Egg for strong adhesion, yogurt for tang, mayo for oil. Pulse crackers or cereal in short bursts until crumbs are uniform. Avoid powder. Once done, salt and pepper lightly. Seasoning belongs in the crumbs. Make sure to measure. 1 cup dry to 1 binder is a good starting ratio for most recipes. Then move straight to the coating station. You now build the actual coating, step by step, so the substitute performs like breadcrumbs. Arrange flour, binder, and your prepared crumbs in 3 bowls. This prevents soggy spots. Mix in herbs, grated cheese, or lemon zest to boost flavor. Why waste the chance? Dredge first in flour, dip in binder, then press into crumbs. This mechanical adhesion creates a better crust. If you want extra thickness, repeat the binder and dry crumb step once more. Then rest coated pieces briefly. You finish by cooking and checking texture. Timing depends on thickness. For pan fry, heat oil until shimmering and maintain medium-high heat so crumbs brown without burning. Flip once for consistent color. If baking, start hot to set the crust, then lower temperature to finish. This gives a crunchy exterior and moist interior. Once done, rest on a wire rack to avoid steam softening the coating. If the crust turns soggy, re-crisp in a hot oven or air fryer for a few minutes. This usually
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.